In this tutorial, I'm going to show you quickly how to save a website to your favorites list in Safari. So if I open up Safari down here, touch on that, and now you can see there that this is just a blank tab. The icons that you can see there are actually favorites that are already saved. Usually your iPad comes complete and things like iCloud and Apple and things like that are already on there. You can delete these quite easily by holding your finger on them. If I hold my finger on iCloud here, take it off again, and you can see it says delete there. If I tap delete, that will go. But I don't want to delete it, so I just tap anywhere else on the screen and that disappears. But supposing I want to open one of these, if I go to BBC and I just touch on that, that will open up the BBC website on that particular tab. Now if I want to keep that open, say I want to open up another website on a different tab, I click on the plus sign here. That would just open up a new tab again, and you can see on my new tab I've got the favourites that I've already saved on there. So let's see, I open up the club's website, EPSSCC, I've got that there. If I tap on that, I've now opened that as well. So I've got two tabs. You can see here, one says BBC Home and the other one says Home, being the home on our EPSSCC page. If I click on the two boxes in the top right here, it's another way of looking at to see that I've got two tabs open. If I touch either one with my finger, it will go straight to that. As an alternative to tapping on that box in the corner, if I put two fingers on the screen and bring them together, as if I'm going to make it smaller, you get the same effect. It goes back to show you the tabs that you've got open. Right, so let's go back to here. I'm going to click to open a new tab. That's here on the cross, and I'm going to type in a website at the top here. I'm going to say gocompare.com. So if I put GOCOMPARE. Now a little tip here, it's already put the .com, but if I, instead of typing in, if I go down to the full stop and I hold my finger on it, it comes up with all of these. I slide my finger up to there and I can just let it come down on the one that I want to type in. So I'll put it on .com, take my finger off, and it's put it in up the top for me. So there's a quick way to enter that .com or .co.uk. Right, I'm going to click on Go, and it should open up the Go Compare website. Now I want to save that in with my favourites. So I now go up to here with this box with an upward arrow on it, touch on that. And the options I've got here, I can just, where it's got the star, it says add to favourites. If I touch that, it will add it to that list of favourites that you saw before. An alternative here, I wanted to add it onto my home page. Move along, it says or add to home screen. But in this case, I don't want to add another icon to my home screen. I just want to add this to favourites. So I touch on that, and it's now showing me what it's going to put underneath the icon that it's going to put on there. I don't want all of that info. I just want it to say Go Compare. So I'm going to backspace that info out, keep touching that. I just leave the Go Compare bit there. That's it. I'm going to say done. Now if I open up a new tab, you see that I've got Go Compare on there. So that's how you add to them. If I click on my, see what tabs I've got open again on the boxes at the top here. And if I get rid of them all by putting my finger on each one and sliding it to the left. I've now gone back to my blank tab. I'm going to touch on Go Compare, and that's opened it up for me. So that's how you add favourites in Safari. Hope this helps.